Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from PeopleLovingAnimals.com. If you have a dog who is fearful or anxious or even aggressive, I'd like to invite you to use the link in my description box of this video to watch my video called How to Calm a Dog's Anxiety, How to Calm a Fearful Dog. In that video, we talk about how important it is for you to be the pack leader in the relationship with your dog. Most dogs are followers, not leaders. And if they think that they have to be in charge, they can become extremely fearful, extremely anxious, and some dogs even become aggressive. I hope you'll check out the video and I hope it helps.